Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video we will be doing the concept of ambiguity in multiple inheritance and how we are going to resolve ambiguity. Guys, this is a very important concept in C++. Because of this concept it led to the concept of Java. Because this is actually a disadvantage in C++ that leads to the creation of another language because of this disadvantage. So what is ambiguity? Firstly, it is erroneous situation or it is error, compile time error we can also represent, or a confusion to compiler. I'll tell you how this erroneous situation or error or confusion to compiler exists. So let's just take one example and I write class A and in public section I write void take and I just write cout A class. That is what I wanted to display. This is done. And I write class B, right, in public. I write a same function void take and in this I have written display B class or B class, right. Now what happens is that class C I'm inheriting both of them publicly, public A comma public B. It means this is a concept of multiple inheritance and I create this class as such. So as per the mode of inheritance, both are public. Public of A will go in public section of class C. So it means one void take will be here over here. By default that would be copied. Same applies public B also. So public of class B will go in public of class C. So which void function we have to call? There are two multiple copies of void take functions that are made. It means this is a situation where A class has take function, B class has another take function and class C is inheriting from class A and class B. It means class C has two take functions to call. Now in the main, if I create the object of C class and I just write obj.take, over here which function will get called? I have created an object of class C which is a derived class object and I am calling object.take. So take, there are two takes, whether from this A or whether from this B. Unfortunately this is a confusion. It is not any kind of a preference that I have written public A first and public B later, that take of A function should get called. No, it is not. It is a confusion that is there in the compiler. We are not sure which function to get called. Whenever there is unsurety, whenever there is this kind of a confusion, it will give you compile time error and it will clearly mention that take function is ambiguous. This is known as ambiguity. This is a situation where even compiler does not know which function to get called and both are public take functions. Unfortunately, this is a compile time error and it's a problem of C++ as well. So this is a situation and we don't know which take function to get called, so this is definitely an error. So how to resolve this error? There is one way of resolving also. I take first way is if I create overriding member function. Overriding member function means If I create the public section of class C and I just write void take, another take function I am using, and I'm just putting inside it as cout C class, and I am solving it. Now C has 3 takes now, but C has 3 takes, its own take also, and 2 takes which are inherited, and I'm writing obj.take. So what we'll do is this take function will override the other 2 inherited takes that we have inherited from class A and class B. So this take function will get called, and the answer of this is C class. This is known as overriding member functions, where the member functions or take from class A and class B are overridden from class C take function. This is first thing. Second important point is that I can resolve this ambiguity using scope resolution operator. And scope resolution operator, operator that we are talking about is it can be written with the proper syntax. The syntax is, if let's say this take function is not used, right, again this is an erroneous situation, right, and this class C does not have anything, so I'm just writing it as such. So if this is again an erroneous situation and I want to solve this and I'm writing obj.take, the error will come. Why? Because compiler is not sure which function is getting called. So to resolve this, what we will do is we'll write object name dot which class name, which take function you want to get called, scope resolution and function name that is causing an error. So this is a syntax of solving it. If I want to call this take function, I'll just write obj dot class A and I'm writing take function from class A will get called. If I want to call for B class, obj dot B take function from class B will get called. I cannot write obj.take because it will give me error, because I have not written anything in this class. If I have used void take function in this class, obviously the take function from class C will override functions of A and B. This is a concept of ambiguity. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, put it in comment section. I'll try to answer. Thank you very much for your support.